All right, shooting a quick video here on how to replace the oil fill tube on a 997.1 Carrera S. We got a 3.8 liter here. So what you're going to do is remove your airbox. Airbox is out there, some videos on that. Take your dry belt off. You can leave it loose here. Remove the idler pulley that's next to your alternator. Remove that guy off. Remove your throttle body. Remove the first, pretty much plenum right there. You're gonna need some access, okay? There's gonna be a bolt on this cradle. You're gonna unloosen that. There's a little connector in the back of the alternator. Remove that. You don't have to undo the cable here on the alternator. You have enough room. But you'll see here are your two bolts. You got one right there, one up front there. It's gonna be let's see, you got the bolts right here. It's gonna be this guy, and he is a Torx E10 Torx. I also used a 5/16 with this one of these like multi-sided sockets here. So you can use the E10 Torx to get the near bolt off, but the one in the back there, I had to use my quarter inch ratchet with this guy to get that little guy. There's very little clearance back there. And then once you do that, this will pull right off. Pulls right off. Mine snapped right here. So got a new one, FCP Euro. Gonna put that back on. Make sure you order a new rubber gasket with it because you don't want to reuse your nasty old one. We'll take this, throw it in the trash. And then installation is reverses the removal. And yeah, this should help somebody out. This took me about 15 minutes to do.